What are the chakras, and why are they so relevant to our health and well-being? In Sanskrit, the name chakra translates to energy centre, vortex, or wheel of light. And within the human body there are 7 major chakras, which are located in the spine, alongside numerous smaller ones throughout the body, which govern our health and well-being. Each of the chakras has a specific position, colour, related organ or gland, stone or crystal, planet, chakra mantra, corresponding element, and given characteristic associated with it. The major chakras are positioned in the spine, with the first chakra known as the root being located at the base, and the 7th chakra known as the crown located just above the top of the head. The chakras are able to channel energy to the body through feeder channels located in the feet, which travel up through the legs into the root chakra. Although the chakras are to some degree interwoven and connected, it is essential that if energy is to be able to flow optimally throughout the body, the root chakra needs to be open, as all the corresponding chakras receive their energy from the root, which then flows upwards and feeds the other chakras. The chakras all spin in alternating directions, either masculine, meaning they project energy outwards and spin counterclockwise, or feminine, meaning they bring energy into the body and spin in a clockwise direction. For our bodies to operate at maximum capacity, the chakras should ideally all be open so the energy flows consistent throughout the body. However, this is rarely the case, as due to numerous life experiences or situations, including illness, the chakras can become blocked or closed, and due to every chakra being related to a particular organ or gland, that particular part of the body will then become affected as a result. For example, if we are finding it difficult expressing ourselves, or we feel frustrated about something, we may feel our throat feels sore or our neck feels tight, as the throat chakra governs communication. Another example is, have you ever suffered from heartache? Maybe it was the loss of a personal relationship, or a loved one who passed, and you may literally feel like your heart is breaking. This is because the heart chakra governs love and relationships, which is why the pain is felt in this area. Unfortunately, because the pain is often so unbearable, what happens is we then have a tendency to try to block ourselves from feeling any further discomfort, by making a choice to suppress the pain instead of processing it. But in doing so, we actively close the heart chakra, until a point is reached when we are able to start the healing process, and in time the chakra is once again able to reopen so we can love again. Rather interestingly, pain can also be carried from a previous lifetime into this one. If we have a weakness in a certain area of the body that we cannot comprehend or understand, the reason for it may well be an unresolved problem from a life lived previously, and we can even inherit weaknesses and strengths relating to the chakras from our parents. The chakra system, although incredibly complex, is fascinating, and through understanding how the chakras work, we can learn a lot about the body and how we operate in our everyday lives.